Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Do you want to add some exciting colors combination to your kitchen? If yes, all you need is paint and a brush. No renovation, no construction. The kitchen is the place where you start your day and need to be super productive irrespective of gender. The color combination for the kitchen plays an essential role in making your start a day positively. You can either play with bright colors, make your kitchen pop out, or increase your output by using creativity. But if you find it challenging to choose the colors that match your mood, we have created a list of colors combination for the kitchen. We provide you with a list of the best colors that you can use in the kitchen to elevate the space beautifully. White, grey, blue, yellow, green and red are the prominent colors for the kitchen to shine. Red is a warm and versatile color that works well for the kitchen that tends to stimulate appetite. You can either use red for cabinets or walls in different shades, making them pop out. You can also energize your kitchen by using white color. You can either go all white or use different colors for the cabinets and backsplash to create a creative look. Gray can be another soft and soothing color if you choose the right shade. It fits in beautifully with other colors as it is neutral and can be used for cabinets and countertops. You can use different shades of blues for walls and cabinets to create a crisp and a clean look. But make sure the colors does not overpower the kitchen and use it sparingly. You can make the blue looks less intensive by combining it with neutral tones. Yellow can be an excellent addition to any kitchen that will brighten the space. This color makes you feel calm and happy instantly. You can also pair yellow with white and gray accents to make the kitchen look bigger and brighter. There are different shades of green available that work well in the kitchen space. The color pairs beautifully with wood and white accents. Let us go through this video for some of the perfect color combination of the kitchens you can implement into your house. Black and orange kitchen design. The black and orange color combination for kitchen cabinets in this image gives you an idea of bold colors in modern interior. The color orange is used for all the cabinets. The shades of black and gray cover the walls and kitchen platforms, standing in the contrast with the orange cabinets beautifully. Blue kitchen colors. Blue is one of the most popular kitchen color combination after white. This color does not feel too in your face yet gives your kitchen a classic and calming finish. The use of silver handles for the drawers is a beautiful touch that further enhances this house look. The kitchen platform is marble white and the electronics in the kitchens are in stainless steel, finishing the look expectedly. One of the biggest color combinations for the kitchen, especially for people who love shades of red. Most drawers and cupboards are done in a lighter shade of red. The walls covered in a moss green and the doors and windows pane is done in orange. If you don't want to overcrowd your kitchen with too many colors or elements, use accents. Suppose you are well versed in maintaining an all white kitchen paint color. In that case, this picture will give you a perfect representation. You can get on no fuss, contemporary and a clean look by using crisp whites. Remember that it is better to use easy to clean materials that does not stain easily, especially if you choose white. Green and wood are the two color combination for the kitchen that gives your house a natural and fresh vibe. You can use any shade of green as per your taste, whether it's an emerald green, olive green or bright leafy hues. If you want a country look for your kitchen, rustic accessories combined with simple woodwork in nature wood tones. The addition of mosaic tiles and organic window panes enhance the face of the kitchen beautifully. White and brown kitchen. The combination of classic brown and neutral white can be an excellent option for small kitchens. Paint colors if you are a fan of a first free look for the kitchen space. However, to get a more earthly appeal, you can use natural and raw finishes. For example, the flooring, ceiling, and cupboards in the upper area are white, whereas the drawers are dark brown. Shades of bronzy kitchen ideas. Bronzy might not be a standard color you find in many kitchens, still it is a perfect example of a modern kitchen cabinet color used in kitchen that wants to look unique and trendy. As you can see, different shades of bronzy are used for cabinet drawers and walls, beautifying the space. For example, small tiles on the wall behind the kitchen countertop stand in the contrast of the lighter bronzy all over. The same holds for the appliances. Grey, white, and gold kitchen. Many people feel grey is a neutral and bland color, but it works wonders when used appropriately. This shows a mixture of trending colors combination ideas you will see. The walls and ceilings are white, which beautifully elevates the grey countertop in the center of the room. The unique feature of this countertop is that it has beautiful shades of greys, gold, white, and black combined, which stand out against the white. Personal choice plays an important role when you are choosing a color for your kitchen, but grey is the favorite color used for the kitchen when you want the space to be versatile while still looking modern and bold. In addition, you can use different colored accessories and cabinets as per preferences. If you want to change the color of your kitchen, choosing a color palette that represents your style and personality can be an excellent way. The color combination of the kitchen mentioned in this video will help you finalize the right one for your home, making cooking meals memorable and filled with love. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you.